In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add task dependencies in Microsoft Planner. In order to do this, you first need to head over right here into planner.cloud.microsoft. From in there, click on the sign in option that we can see right here. Now, do take note that you can only sign in into Microsoft Planner if you have a team or organizational account. Microsoft Planner is not available on personal accounts, so do take note of that. Now, once you're in there, click onto this sign in. From in there, you can see right here this. So just choose right here the actual plan that you wish to use or add dependencies with. Click on your plan, and in here we have this. So you can change from your actual view into schedule, and from in there connect tasks that are actually connected together. So you can connect them and add it as a dependency. Another option that we can do is to use the task details. Now change from schedule to grid. Choose right here the plan that you want. I'll choose right here this. You can also click onto this eye icon in order to open the details, and we have this option. So for this, you can proceed to add dependencies if you have it right here. Just scroll down and look for the add dependency option. You can search for and select the task it can depend on and choose the desired dependency. It can be a finish to start or start to start option. Optionally, you can add any lead or lag time to fine-tune the timing between the tasks. So if you have it right here, proceed to actually add dependency based on the other tasks that you have on your board as well. So that's all there is today. I hope this video successfully helped you out. And if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again the next time.